Hi guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. On today's tutorial, I'm going to show you the red carpet theme dress combo inspo in DTI. So if you want to steal the spotlight with this dress on your next DTI round, you need to watch this video until the end. Now let's just get started. So for the hair, you can actually just do your favorite hairstyle, but I'm using this here. Now let's just go to the dressing room and put on this dress first from the currency items. And here I'm going to use this red color. Double it into only skirt right here. And for the last color, I'm going to use black. Now for the material, I'm going to use light silk. And then here go to the code items and put on this skirts right here. Toggle it into long. Then remove the ribbons. Change all the color into red and material in light silk. It will go like this. Now you can put on, sorry about that, and then here you can put on some more accessory first. I'm going to use this necklace right here, and then let's put on the top. So for the top, I'm going to combine first these tops right here with the same red color. Then I'm going to combine it with this top. And last one, put on this biker short and change the color to red. And I'm going to also put on these items along with the gloves. Sorry. So for the glove, I'm going to remove the fur and make the material in light silk. Now let's just put on the shoe. So for the shoe, I'm going to wear these heels, change the color into black. So now this is the final look for the red carpet theme. I hope you found this tutorial helpful. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Also click on the thanks. I'll see you all in the next tutorial. Bye!